May 13, 2025. A gunman opened fire on a Texas trooper, crashed his car, and ran. What followed was a 90-minute manhunt through the streets of Brownsville. After 90 minutes of searching, they found him, behind a house, gun still in hand. Officers surrounded him and gave him every chance to walk away.
The situation turns.
Hey, let me see your fucking hands! Put your fucking hands up, I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side! Crossfire! Get the gun, he's right behind him! He's been shot, I need to get him. Hey! Medic, give me a minute! Hey, he's been shot, I got.
Hey, put him down.
Hey, put him down here.
How many port side did
Fuck. Hey, dude, I took.
You took shots.
I took shots. All right.
You okay?
All right, I'm good. I'm good. I got my suit. I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right.
We'll maintain it, okay?
Hey.
Stand by!
Hello?
We have a ranger here!
Dude.
Have no wire!
No, so, shots fired, so. I shot the guy, so he's hit.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
I was right behind you, bro.
Okay, yeah. So,
Alright.
I'm good. All right, anyways, we'll be here. So, at my location, that's where I'm at. Yeah, we shot him. And he's still alive. I did, me. And two.
Okay.
Yeah, me and two other, and another DPS. Just to let you know. Yeah. I'm good, yeah, I'm good. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, bye. Hey, he jumped the fence from over there this way.
Yes, we're good. Hey.
Oh, he empty. We need to take his handcuffs off. We need to put an occlusive on him. Yeah, he fine. I think he went through.
Put him on the recovery position. Bring him up.
Like here on the arm, and then on his.
Yeah. He went right through. All right, turn him over, brother. Turn over, put him in the recovery position. I know, brother. All right, come here. Oh, that's good. I know, brother. Just stand by.
Yeah.
I love you. Just understand me. Yeah, it's okay.
I respect soldiers here.
Bro, we told you to drop the gun, brother.
I want to be a soldier, but don't give me a chance to be a soldier.
All right, that's fine. No, don't relax.
I'm sorry. You're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm sorry, sir. But I just want to let you know, like.
Yeah, I guess for now. I mean, it's in the hip. We're good.
Well,
We don't want to pack, but yeah, go ahead and put it.
Fuck it. No, like we're in the thoracic box. Put a seal
We're
on
good.
it.
Let's put a seal.
Just in case.
I know, brother.
We can't pack this. We can't.
No, we're gonna pack it. I was gonna cover it. Thank you. That's it. Only pack the chest cavity. I mean, not the chest cavity.
Nope. Yeah. So
Good.
seal it.
Put it right in the center. Yeah, I'll wipe for that. All right, brother.
Yep. Let's go ahead and get this one.
I got another one.
Breathe.
I got one more. Yeah.
Single GSW. Lower left quadrant.
Stand by, brother.
You're good. Fight through it.
Hey, take him down. Make sure he's not shot anywhere else. Yeah, it went through.
Roll this way, buddy.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
Like extend his foot.
Get his fucking shirt off.
Sir.
Sir. Yeah, all right.
Sir. So I'll check down here. Sir.
No, not yet. Take him out and cover him.
Yep.
There's no.
Sir.
Yeah, all right, brother.
Squeeze it out.
That's all right. He's breathing, so we're good.
Check his legs.
Yeah.
Yep. Sir.
Nothing.
What else do you need? Any more pressure?
Nah, we're good. It's just single through.
Lower left quadrant, it's sealed. Secondary blood sweeps, and then he needs to go.
He's good, brother. All right, well, stand by. How far's the ambulance?
Okay, sir.
All right, bro. You'll be good. What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. Yeah, right there. Grab one. You just touch on the arm. Just wrap it.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me cut it. Wrap it. So yeah, just breathe normal, all right? Breathe normal, dude.
I want to be a soldier. Yeah, just use
It's all right, brother. Just wrap it. We're
It
good.
doesn't stretch, so if he starts to swell, just use a pressure dressing it.
Hey,
Too bad, just cover it up.
hey, let him know. Hey, where he jumped. I don't know if there's another guy back there. So I saw him
They're
run,
going inside right now. They're checking it right now.
but he jumped from across the alley this way. So I don't know if there's more on that side.
You have one?
You have another one over here, boss? That's right there. Okay. You're gonna go. The ambulance coming right now.
That's it, sir.
I know. We're gonna try to get you out there, bro.
Sir, I'm not going to be a bad person, sir, but I know.
Bro.
I know.
I know.
I know, sir.
It's all good. It's all good, brother. You have any other pains?
Sir.
You know what day today is? What day is today?
Hey, you're hold on. I mean, yeah, I got you. He's alert. He's verbal. He's
Yeah, he's alert.
cautious.
Hey, brother, have you taken any drugs today? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Nothing.
Nothing.
No marijuana, no opiate, no nothing. No uppers, nothing. Okay. All right.
Drank?
No, sir.
Nothing. All right.
I go die, sir.
All right, you're good.
I go die.
No, brother. Your pulse is really good, brother. It's strong. Your pulse is strong. You're good. Yeah, this one's good right here, brother.
We got like 5 minutes to wait. Do we want to?
Yeah, we can do the whole thing.
What do you say about 20K? Took off on foot.
He's coming towards us, he said.
Drop the lead! Drop the lead! Drop the lead!